Hare Krishna students, in the last class we discussed about loops, right? And I hope you have understood that chapter, as mainly loops are part of lesson 9. We'll be discussing the loops more and more. Okay, so for the activities that are in lesson 8 we needed loops, so that therefore we learned it. So today we will learn about creating circles and playing music in Visual Basic, in QBasic. Now the thing is that the music that is going to be played over here is monotone. Okay, means previously in simple words that we called ringtones, the terms we called ringtones back in the day, means the time was maybe in 2005 and 2006. In Nokia phones there was an option to create ringtones, means you could play different, you could create your own ringtones. Okay, and those would come as not like the ones that are having today, like MP3 sounds and so on, so many other musics. Okay, you will just you will be able to hear it properly. Okay, when I write the code for it, you will be able to hear it properly, and those who know how to write musical notes, they will be able to create properly proper ringtones with this. Okay, so this is something very fascinating, because you need to know music for doing this, because I really don't have any idea about music. I can experiment, okay, by creating or writing the notes in different ways that I can experiment, but other than that I will be just showing you the code that is in your book. Okay, so after this, along with this video, we will this will be a short video, and after this I will give you the solutions to the activities. Okay, so therefore let us begin. So first of all, we'll be working with the circle command. So as we had to say that the circle command is used to draw a circle, ellipse or an arc. Okay, so all the circular figures, all the types of oval figures or circular figures can be drawn by using the circle command. Okay, so what is the syntax of the circle command? The syntax of the circle command is we have to write circle in capital. In between the brackets we have to specify the central location of the circle. That means which point is the midpoint or the midpoint of a circle, and we have to mention the radius. And if we want some kind of specific color code, that means if we want to give some color with it, we can also mention some colors as well as border colors. Okay, so this is something that we can do very easily. Okay, so I will write the code for the circle as given in your book. Okay, so here what we'll do is, first we will take screen 7. I hope you are able to see it properly. Okay, screen 7. Then we'll take color 14,5, and we'll then do CLS. This is just an optional, I told already in the last class. Print, we will do what? We'll write this is a circle. Okay, then in the next line we will use the circle function, and there we'll write the center, that is 160, 100. This is going to be the center of the circle. Okay, and after that we'll give a comma. After giving comma we will write 70, and after that we'll write 15. So 70 is the radius, remember. Okay, 70 pixels are the radius. So after 70, 15, then we'll end the program. So after this we'll just click on run and start. Okay, it is going to create the exe file, and after creating the exe file it will start the program and draw the circle on the screen. It is going to be a small circle as much as I can remember, because screen 7 isn't such a big screen. Okay, so let's check it out. Yes, this is the one we are having at this moment. This is how our circle is going to be displayed. Now it says press any key to continue, so I'll just press any key to continue and the program will end. So I hope you have understood this. Okay, so this is how we can work with the circle command. Okay, now next we will discuss how we can create sound using the beep statement and the play statement. Okay, beep statement is going to only give you a beep sound, and the play statement is going to play notes in QBasic. Okay, so therefore I will just erase this all, Next, what we are going to do is we'll just type CLS, and then no need of anything, just give beep. Okay, hearing any beep sound, just give this and play it. I hope you will be able to hear a beep after this. I'll be quiet. Okay, so I hope you heard the beep, because I tried to record the sound. I don't know it is recorded or not. So just after watching this video, just tell me that if you were able to hear the beep or not. Okay, so we'll just close this one. Okay, so next, this is something that we should keep in mind while using the beep sim. This is just going to give a beep sound. Okay, nothing else. Now next, let us go towards using the play statement to create or to write some play notes. Okay, so within double inverted commas I will write this notations and just press the F5 button. I'll remain quiet so that you can hear what is being played. Okay, so I hope you heard the notes. Now this was a very small one, so let's create a large note. You can just copy paste the notes, okay, and then write the next one that is written over here. Okay, so we have to write play space double inverted comma, then it says C8, sorry, in small, C8 space D8 space E8 space F8 space G8 space A8 space B8 space and C4. Okay, so let's hear how this plays out. Okay, so it is creating the exit. We'll start the program soon. This is going to be a long music as I have given multiple notes there. Okay, so I hope you were able to hear the complete music. Okay, so this is how we use this particular play to write it. Okay, so these notations, if you have the idea about musical notations, you will be able to create ringtones using this QBasic program. Okay, and I don't know how many of you really know these notes and all. So if some of you know this, I hope girls, boys, both of you may have learned singing. If you know how to write this kind of notes, please make a nice ringtone and post it on the wall. Okay, or you'd really like to hear from anyone. I would like to hear from anyone who knows this kind of notes. Okay, you can make different musical notes and post it on the wall. Okay, it'll be very much a good of a work, and I really appreciate from your part if you do this. I'm not forcing or anything. If anyone knows how to work with musical notes, please, this is just a request to you to do this. So there isn't much to show. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you shouldn't have any doubts, because this was a fairly very simple thing. Okay, so if you have any doubts or questions, please ask, and I will post the activities after this video. Thank you.